Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this TypeScript tutorial, we will see how to capitalize the first letter of a string. So there are four methods to do this. Here are the four methods we are going to see how to capitalize the first letter of a string in TypeScript. So let's see the first method using charAt and two uppercase letters. As charAt method will return the character of a string, but here we have defined 0 inside the charAt method, so it will return the first character of a string. Then we will use the toUpperCase method to capitalize that first character. So let's see how we can implement it. So here is my code. You can see first I have initialized the function. First I have defined the function, capitalized first letter, and I have given the parameter string, and it is of type string. So it will return the first character. If the string dot charAt 0 will return the first character, and the two uppercase will capitalize that first character, and then we will merge that first character with the rest of the character of a string. So here is my string Kannada, and we are passing that string to the function, and then we will console log it. So when we pass this string, this will come here, and then as we store this string in a str parameter, so it will take the first character, and then it will uppercase it, and then we will merge the C with ANADA. So it will return the Kannada. Now let's run the command, and you can see here the Kannada as an output. Now let's see the next method. So the next method is our spread operator, using spread operator and two uppercase method. So what is spread operator? So with the help of the spread method, we will convert the string into an array of characters. So then we will then we'll get the first letter of the string, and then we will capitalize it using two uppercase method. So now let's see how we can implement it. For this method, this is the code. So here what we are doing, similarly as first method, we are passing the parameter as string, and then we are using the spread operator. Spread operator is look like this, dot 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 dot, three dots, and then we are getting the first character by passing 0 inside the bracket, and then we are capitalizing it with the two uppercase method, and then we are merging with the other part of the string. So so here we are passing the my string to the function, and then we are console log it. When we pass the my string to the function, so here when we pass the so here we are passing the string to our function as a parameter, and then we are using spread operator to get the first letter of the string, to convert the string as an array, then get the first character, then uppercase it, and then add it with the other part of the string. So it will return the Kannada with capital C. So when we run this code, it will return Kannada. Here you can see. Now let's see the next method, how we can do it. So our next method is using regular expression and replace method. So here by using regular expression and replace method, what we are going to do, we will use the regular expression to match the first character of the string, and then pass it to the uppercase method to capitalize it. So here we will use the regular expression to match the first letter in the string, and we will use the replace method to get, and then use the two uppercase method to capitalize it. Inside the replace method, we will use here what inside the replace method, we will use the regular expression and two uppercase method. So what regular expression is going to do? Regular expression is going to match the first character in the string. Then we will uppercase it. Then we will capitalize the first character of a string. Now let's see how we can implement it. So here also we have created the same function passing this string to this parameter, and then we will use string dot replace. The replace method will replace first string or character or number with other string or character. So here we are passing the regular expression and we are converting the string. Here we are passing the regular expression. From this we are getting the C value. We are getting the C, and then we're passing the regular expression and it will match the first word letter in the string, and then so our first letter is C, so we are getting C, and then we are using C dot to uppercase method to capitalize the C. So when we console log, this will return the Kannada. Here you can see it returns Kannada. Now let's see our last method. Our last method is using slice to uppercase and string concatenation. So what is slice method? The slice method will get you the first letter of the string, and to uppercase method, as we know, we will capitalize the first letter of a string. We will use to capitalize the letter of the letter. So what we are going to do is we will use the slice method to get the first letter of a defined string, and then we will use the two uppercase letter to capitalize that string, capitalize that character, and then concatenate the capitalized character with the rest of the string using the slice method. So now let's see how we can do it. So here also we have defined the function and we have passed the parameter as a string. So we have passed this string, and then Mm, we stored this Kannada with variable, constant variable, and then we pass this, string to this function which we have defined here, and then we, as we have Kannada here, so we will use this uh, Kannada. When we use Kannada dot slice 0 comma 1, we will get the first character of the we will get the first character of the string, and then that is C, and then we will use the two uppercase method which will capitalize it, then it will be the capital C, and we have the rest of the string, that ANADA, so we merge it with the capitalized C. So C and A, capital C A N A D A. So it will return Kannada. So it will return Canada. So now let's run the code and see the output. And you can see the output here. That's all for this tutorial. We will see other method and thing, other TypeScript tutorial. So for this, you need to subscribe to our channel to get such videos on to get such TypeScript videos, as well as you can see other videos like Power Apps, SharePoint Online, Power Automate, Power BI, Python, Machine Learning, and much more. Thank you so much for watching.